Hello again, YouTube. This video is for the LTC nimbleback 65% keyboard. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. Let's take a look at it and see what we got. Comes with an owner's manual, has a few pages on it. So apparently there's some good information in there. That's good. And here we have the keyboard itself. It's pretty nice. It's white with the red switches. It's pretty neat on the back. We'll talk about that later. What else we got? Let's see what else we have in here. Let's see. Oh goody. Oh, okay, we got some extra red switches. They have their own red switches. It's not really like Altemu or anything like that, but they're pretty similar. And we have the USB Type-C cable, as well as a switch / key puller, or cap / switch puller, however you want to look at it. That's pretty cool. So yeah, that's pretty much everything that's in it. Let's take a look at it. So moving on to the bottom, looks like we have the rubberized front feet there, and also we have the rubberized tips to the kick out feet, which is really a neat addition to this thing. Something you would definitely want. You know, it's not going to move around on you, which is great. That's what you want out of a keyboard, especially a gaming one. You see here we also have the 2 USB 2.0 ports. It's good for like a mouse and keyboard, like a headset or anything like that. 2 items you want to plug in. I think that's really great, and that should definitely be sets this one apart from some of the other keyboards, especially at this price point. You know, it's like I paid about I think it was right at 40 bucks, 42 bucks for this keyboard. I think that's a great value. You know, something I would definitely, they have the red switches there, you know, and let's listen to them. All right, well that sounded good. Just want to go over some really quick things. This keyboard does come in with red switches, blue switches, or brown switches. I chose the red because I prefer the linear over, like, I don't really like the browns all that much. Even the Cleveland Browns, not my thing. It's also fully hot swappable, 3 and 5 pin. Basically just about any key, any switch you can find just about would fit in there. It has a detachable skirt, and you can, I guess, take that off and design it or do whatever you want with it. If you take it off, it kind of makes the keys look like high rise a little bit. Some people like that a little better. Also, there's some software. I don't really do software or mess with the software on keyboards. I do with the mice, but not the keyboards. It's pretty nice software nonetheless. Appreciate you guys checking out this video, and we'll do it again.